Australia introduced a minimum age for social networks, and it's 16. Major social media platforms like Twitch, Instagram, YouTube or X removed around 5 million accounts related to the children under the age of 16 in Australia. So how does this ban work? And why does it matter? Places like Twitch or Instagram do ask for your age when you sign in, but it's so easy to lie on the internet. Just scroll back 10 years at that age verification scroll. Well, this led to a large number of kids with social media accounts as soon as they would get their first mobile. So Australia is asking tech companies to freeze those accounts, but not only that, but to actually stop any further account creation for anyone under the age of 16. But how? To start implementing ID-based account creation. You want an account? Show me your ID. Alongside stricter ID policies, companies will have to work on preventing users from going around this. Data around the world shows the negative impact of social media on younger people's well-being, education and mental health. That's why countries are looking at the results from Australia. Germany and the UK are looking to impose similar age restrictions. This age restriction might matter for the future collective response to issues with social media and the younger internet users. We will follow the developments around this and we'll let you know. See you next time.